Okay, so we're gonna cover three things in this unit. We're gonna use Excel to help us graph and to help us find the line of best fit. And this basically will be our unit of graphical model. So being able to see our data on a graph and try to find the trend that we see using the graphs, okay? So tables, graphs, and equations are all example of are all examples of graphical models or mathematical models. So when you have a math problem or a math model, right, you can present it in different ways. You can present it as an equation, you can present it as a graph, or you can present it as a table of values, okay? Now, the table of values is not gonna help you much visualize. The equation can help you find the table of values, but the graph helps you see what's going on with your data. Now, we're gonna start with the linear model, okay? What's special about the linear model? How does it look like? It's a straight line. Now, also, if you're thinking about an equation of a line, what is the degree on that equation? The degree 1, right? So when you're looking at the equation, it's y equals mx plus b, where the degree on the x is 1, okay? Now, if I'm looking at the table of values and I find my first difference, what do I know about the first difference? It's gonna be constant for a linear model, okay? So, represents quantities that increase or decrease by a constant amount. That's what a linear model is. So if you're looking at a line, you're going up by the same amount or you're going down by the same amount every single time. We said that the graph is a straight line. And we said that the equation of the graph or the equation of the line can be written as y equals m plus b, where what is the slope in this equation? What represents the slope? Where m is the slope, right? And b is the y-intercept. Okay? So when I'm looking at my equation, when I look at the equation, I know right away that this is the slope. And the slope, what does the slope mean? What does the slope represent in a linear function? The steepness of the line, that's right. So how much does the line go up by versus how much it goes over by? So it's your right over your right. So basically it's your rate of change, okay? So the rate of change is the slope of the line, is the slope. And in this case, the rate of change is constant, right? Because we know that in a linear equation, my quantities of increase or decrease is constant. So we're going to be able to identify these linear functions, right, by looking at different things. Either by looking at the table of values, or by looking at the equation of the line, or by looking at a graph. Okay? So if I look at the table of value like this, in order for me to be able to identify if it's linear or not, I have to do the first difference. Okay? Because if the first difference is constant, what does that mean?
It's not constant.
If it is constant. So it's linear. Okay? So the first difference says, so when I look at the first difference, if it's constant, then I know it's linear. Okay? So what I have to do, number one, I have to make sure that my x value are going up by the same amount. So if you see here, it's 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's going up by the same amount. It's going up by 1, right? So that's good. Now if I want to do the first difference, I have to subtract y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1. So that's 55 minus 60. 55 minus 60, that's negative 5. Now,
Quick question, are you done with the printer?
no, I'm done. Yeah. Sure.
The other thing is, do you still have the crepe paper?
Yes. Sorry, my other batch.
And then, are they there as well?
Mhm.
Okay, I'll just find them.
Can I have some, can you leave me some great paper? Like, and are we gonna be able to borrow the printer next semester?
Hopefully, I'm looking for price money.
Or will we know it's maybe $10,000?
What?
$10,000.
No, 30.
Can I show you? Let me just stop.